Before the video starts, make sure you guys check out my Discord channel, which is linked in the description below, where you guys can join, enter giveaways that we do every week to win cool prizes, and also chat with other people in the community. Make sure you guys join, link in the description below. Now, to the video.
Bring me down, pick me up without a start. Always popping, yeah. My body hurts, can't stand. Restart.
What is up, YouTube? It is Storm here, back with another video, and in today's video, guys, I'll be showcasing another Phasmophobia hack menu video. Now, I do want to let you guys know that this is going to be the last video that I make on this subject for a while, as I do not only make videos on how to hack Phasmophobia, I make other videos, and I need to cater to other members of my audience. With that being said, this is going to be the last video for a while, so make sure you guys stay tuned and check out my other videos. Now, this mod menu is working as of December 2nd, so if you guys are watching this menu in the future and for some reason it's not working, it's probably due to it being patched. Phasmophobia's developers are actively patching hacks, and they're doing a pretty good job at it, making hacking extremely hard and extremely difficult to do on the game, and that's why you haven't seen a lot of new menus coming out. But this menu is working, and I'm going to show you guys how to use it so that way you guys can once again hack while you still can. All links will be in the description below, including my Discord server. Make sure you guys join that Discord server if you guys want to enter giveaways, if you guys need help, if you guys just need someone to talk to, or you have questions regarding any of my videos. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. So once you guys install the Phas mod menu hack, go ahead and extract that, and you should get a folder on your guys' desktop. Go ahead and open up the folder, and then you should get the following stuff in the folder. So you should get hack dependencies, instructions.txt, the actual mod menu, and then a link to my YouTube channel. Before you guys even open up the mod menu, you guys first need to install the hack dependencies. So go ahead and go to the folder there and go ahead and install both of the things that are in the folder. If you guys want this menu to work, then you need to install this stuff to make sure that it actually works. Now, another thing that I want to answer real quick. A lot of you guys are going to try to say that this is a virus because you're going to install it and your virus detection is going to go off. You need to go ahead and add this mod menu in your exceptions file under your antivirus to make sure that you guys can still play the game with your antivirus on. This is known as a false positive file, and the reason why is because you're modifying game files, and that's exactly what viruses, legitimate viruses do, is they modify your files on your computer. And this is what this menu is doing. It is modifying the original Phasmophobia files to go ahead and inject itself into the actual game. So please make sure you either turn off your antivirus or you add the mod menu to your guys' antivirus exceptions list. It's very easy to do, and it takes like 10 seconds. So once you guys have installed the hack dependencies, go ahead and open up Phasmophobia. So I have Phasmophobia here already launched. Now this menu comes with two parts. There's two things that this menu comes with: a save editor and the actual mod menu. So this is going to be a two-part video. The first video, I'm going to be showcasing the actual mod menu, and then the second part of the video, I'm going to be showcasing the actual save editor. The timestamps for both will be in the description as well. So go ahead and load up Phasmophobia here. You need to have the game running to actually inject the mod menu in. So once the game is up and loading like my game is, go ahead and go to the folder. Go ahead and run the mod menu here. Go ahead and click yes. And then this should pop up here. So you're going to go ahead and click mod menu. And then on the bottom right of your screen, you guys should start getting these notifications and sound effects here. And it's going to go ahead and start the injection process. So once it's done injecting, this thing on the top left of your screen should pop up, the Phas mod right there, and you should also get a successful inject message and then telling you guys how to actually open up the menu. So go ahead and click OK, and now the menu has been installed. So you guys can go ahead and click delete key on your keyboard, and then the mod games Phas mod will open up. So initially these are the features that you have. Now once you guys actually join an actual Phasmophobia game, then there'll be more features in the mod menu. So the current default features when you guys are not in the game is going to be the info site, the ghost info, active monitor, force host, mission manager, ghost control, speed hack, crosshair, ghost ESP, bone ESP, and Ouija ESP. Now that's your default controls. There's a lot more controls, so let me go ahead and join here a training session real quick. So let me go ahead and undelete the here and go ahead and join a training game and allow that to load in. Now when you guys want to close the menu, you need to click the delete key, and when you guys want to open the menu, you need to click the delete key. So as you can see right here, there is new stuff that now has popped up on my screen. So I'm going to go ahead and click the delete key here, and this is actually how you also move stuff in your menu, is by clicking the delete key. So you can start a hunt, stop a hunt, you can ideal the ghost, you can make the ghost wander, you can make the ghost appear, you can make the ghost unappear, you can make the ghost do knock on the door, you can make the ghost set car alarms, you can make the ghost turn on radios, you can make the ghost flicker lights, and then you can also click random, and what that means is that the ghost is going to do one of these random actions under actions. Under missions, you can discover what you can complete your missions. So what the missions tab is going to look a little different than mine. So whenever you guys join a game, you have your mission and then you have your objectives. So you can go ahead and complete objectives and missions by just clicking one of these right here, and it'll go ahead and complete it for you. And then under ghost info, it's just going to tell you the type of ghost it is, the ghost's name, the state of the ghost, the room that the ghost is in, the age, if it's shy, if it's hunting, if it can hunt, etc. So that's just going to be a basic rundown of the ghost information. So the second portion of this video is going to be showing you guys how to use the save editor portion of the mod menu. So go ahead and open up your guys' folder again. Go ahead and relaunch the mod menu, and then this should pop up again. So go ahead and click the save editor. Now before you do that, you are going to need to make sure that Phasmophobia is not running, as this requires the game to not be running. So go ahead, if you have it open, go ahead and close Phasmophobia, and then go ahead and click save editor, and then once you do that, the saved editor should pop up. So the save editor allows you to edit your inventory items, your experience, your level, your money, and then the ghost that you want every round to be with. It's a very basic tool to edit stuff. There's not much to it. So this is for the people that just want to get straight to the point, that just want to edit their experience, edit the amount of money that they have, edit the level they have, and their inventory items. There's not much more to it. So what you'll do is you can put your own value in all these fields, or you can click max items, which I did right here, and it'll give you 999 of each item. So once you guys have done editing whatever you guys want to do, you can go ahead and click save, and then it'll go ahead and say save successfully modified. Click OK. Go ahead and exit the save editor, and then you can go ahead and open up Phasmophobia. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so now that we are in game, I'm going to go ahead and show you my items to prove to you that the save editor does indeed work. So if I go ahead and head over to item store, and then I click under one of the items, as you can see, I own 999 of every item. So whatever item you end up editing in the save editor, or if you edit your level, your money, or your XP, it will go ahead and reflect in game. And that's basically what the save editor does. It's a quick way to pretty much level up yourself, add more money to your account, change your XP, or add items. So that's going to be for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, all links will be in the description below. Make sure you check out my Discord, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.